Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Outlook with a message or your reading pane visible. Click the View tab on the ribbon to surface zoom controls. If you don't see a ribbon, press Alt to reveal it. Once the View tab is open, locate the Zoom button or Zoom group. In Outlook Web, open the message and look for a zoom icon near the message controls. This first step gets you to the exact control area you'll use to change magnification quickly and consistently. Now that you've opened the Zoom dialog, choose a preset like 100%, 125%, or 150%, or type a custom percentage for precise control. You can also use the slider if available for small adjustments. Drag slowly for fine-tuning. Once you pick the level, decide whether to apply it only to the current message or set it as the default for all messages so future reading panes match. Make sure to click OK or Apply so the new zoom actually takes effect. Finish by confirming the zoom change visually. Scan your message to ensure text size is comfortable and layout still fits. If things look off, reset to 100% or your original default and then try a smaller step increase. Excessive zoom can cause wrapping or truncated elements. If the zoom control is missing, make sure view settings aren't customized, restart Outlook, and update the app. These steps fix most control visibility issues. If problems persist, try Outlook Web as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.